Best foods for diabetes. According to American Association of Diabetes, leading voluntary health organization fighting to bend the curve on the diabetes epidemic and help people living with diabetes thrive. These are superfood recommended to people with diabetes after scientific research to support the claims. The list of foods below are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and fiber that are good for overall health and may also help prevent diabetes and other diseases. 1. Beans. Examples like kidney, pinto, navy or black beans are packed with vitamins and minerals such as magnesium and potassium. They are very high in fiber too. Beans do contain carbohydrates, but half a cup also provides as much protein as an ounce of meat without the saturated fat. To save time, you can use canned beans, but be sure to drain and rinse them to get rid of as much added salt as possible. 2. Dark green leafy vegetables. Spinach, collards and kale are dark green leafy vegetables packed with vitamins and minerals such as vitamins A, C, E and K, iron, calcium and potassium. These powerhouse foods are low in calories and carbohydrates too. Try adding dark leafy vegetables to salads, soups and stews. 3. Citrus fruit. Grapefruits, oranges, lemons and limes, or pick your favorites to get part of your daily dose of fiber, vitamin C, folate and potassium. 4. Berries. Which are your favorites? Blueberries, strawberries or another variety? Regardless, they are all packed with antioxidants, vitamins and fiber. Berries can be a great option to satisfy your sweet tooth, and they provide an added benefit of vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, potassium and fiber. 5. Tomatoes. The good news is that no matter how you like your tomatoes, pureed, raw, or in a sauce, you're eating vital nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E and potassium. 6. Fish high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats may help to reduce the risk of heart disease and inflammation. Fish high in these healthy fats are sometimes referred to as fatty fish. Salmon is well known in this group. Other fish high in omega-3 are herring, sardines, mackerel, trout and albacore tuna. Choose fish that is broiled, baked or grilled to avoid the carbohydrate and extra calories that would be in fish that is breaded and fried. The American Diabetes Association Standards of Medical Care in Diabetes recommends eating fish, mainly fatty fish, twice per week for people with diabetes. 7. Nuts. An ounce of nuts can go a long way in getting key healthy fats along with helping to manage hunger. In addition, they offer magnesium and fiber. Some nuts and seeds, such as walnuts and flax seeds, are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. 8. Whole grains. It's the whole grain you're after. The first ingredient on the label should have the word whole in it. Whole grains are rich in vitamins and minerals like magnesium, B vitamins, chromium, iron and folate. They are a great source of fiber too. Some examples of whole grains are whole oats, quinoa, whole grain barley, oatmeal, millet, brown rice, barley, and sorghum and farro. 9. Milk and yogurt. You may have heard that milk and yogurt can help build strong bones and teeth. In addition to calcium, many milk and yogurt products are fortified to make them a good source of vitamin D. More research is emerging on the connection between vitamin D and good health. Milk and yogurt do contain carbohydrate that will be a factor in meal planning when you have diabetes. Look for yogurt products that are lower in fat and added sugar. Conclusion. Tips for eating on a budget. Some of the items above can be tough on the budget depending on the season and where you live. Look for lower cost options such as fruit and vegetables in season or frozen or canned fish. Foods that are easier on the budget year-round are beans and whole grains that you cook from scratch.